Hi, I'm Ellie Von Ryan on the product marketing team here at Conductor. With customers being more informed and empowered than ever before, it's critical to ensure that you're educating the customer through every stage of their journey. The customer journey describes the customer's experience from initial contact through the process of engagement and into a long-term relationship. Delivering value at every step is one of the core tenets of customer-first marketing. Each stage of the customer journey calls for different types of education to nurture them through to that next stage in the funnel. For example, the beginning of the customer journey, also known as the top of the funnel or early stage, is when the customer is searching for basic information, asking exploratory questions, and may not necessarily even know what they're looking for. At this stage, as a marketer, you want to ensure that you're putting content out that will help answer those questions and build brand awareness. The customer isn't ready to buy, so your goal is to be a trusted source of unbiased knowledge by providing solutions to the questions that is bringing them to the product in the first place. Late stage is when a customer is ripe to make a purchase. Here, you'll need content that is different from earlier in the customer journey that may be more product-focused and help the buyer take that action. It's important here to have a compelling call to action to get them to make a purchase decision. An important thing to realize here is that while the customer may be ready to purchase, they may not purchase your product. Even if they don't choose you, it's important to continue to educate that customer. Providing the educational support will build the trust that is needed for future brand loyalty. The power of being a trusted source of information is invaluable to a customer. The focus on education is a natural approach for a customer-first organization. Providing your potential customers the education and support needed through a purchasing journey is the difference between selling a product and solving a problem. Customers don't look for a business, they look for a solution. So if you're providing the value, they will find you. After all, if you aren't helping people, you're just selling stuff. For more training, check out Conductor Academy's course on SEO 101.